M.O.B., that's my other brother. Down for my nigga, come put nothing above him. M.O.B., that's my other brother. Lay a nigga down, kill the town for my brother. M.O.B., brother from a different mother. Love my niggas, loyalty keep us together. M.O.B., down for my niggas. You already know that we gon' pull them triggers. Hey, I don't need the rest of the chorus, nigga, I go hard. Write it down, little nigga, yeah, I flip cards. I got an AR, got a spit. Got your bitch on my dick. I'ma pass her off because I don't really need the trick. I'm not a motherfucking Mac, I'm a thug, ho. A nigga that don't show love, I sell drugs, ho. I'm in love with my pistol, put cup in your issue. And I don't give a fuck about what a unique issue. Complaining about the motherfucking money while a nigga in the pain. When a nigga up into the motherfucking rich give up. But little nigga, I ain't trying to give up. I'm caked up, never late up. I'm just late to the money because the money come around like a damn dummy. I got stacks everywhere that I go. I got safe houses. Matter of fact, I gotta go and roll up this motherfucking dust, bro. That's up in my pocket. Matter of fact, I need to hit the stove to give me that Hennessy bottle, cup of styrofoam cup so I can fill it up. This is motherfucking, I'm really caked up. Matter of fact, let me turn around to my brother, bro. M.O.B. and that's on everything. And I don't give a fuck, I never married to this gang. M.O.B. that's my other brother. Down for my nigga, come put nothing above him. M.O.B. brother from a different mother, love my niggas, loyalty keep us together.
M.O.B., that's who I fuck with, that's my family. You niggas ain't shit, so I can't be with. When I had problems and the nigga got hit, I went to my other motherfuckers. Y'all got switched, that's fucking suckers. We some fucking hustlers, born in fucking prison, trying to stay alive, mad being in prison. A nigga be faded. I'm still here, damn, I fucked up.